Hello guys, today I want to show you how to make the live server extension from VS Code refreshes itself automatically. It's pretty simple. You, as you see, there's my document, my HTML document, and nothing here. Now, when I type anything, there is it. You can see that it refreshes automatically. I don't have to stay changing my file. It's pretty similar to NoDaemon on its functionality, but it's for just HTML files on live server. If you have this extension installed, just go Control Ent, or maybe go here on File, Preferences, Settings, same thing. Now you type autosave, and there is it, Files autosave. Now the default option is off, and you gotta change it for which one you prefer. Me personally use uh, I personally use on focus change because I switch between workspaces pretty often, and it helps me to not waste time waiting for the delay. But if you have three monitors, uh, just you can put on focus change. You click on the window and it refreshes, or maybe after delay, right? Or if you are an outstab guy, use on window change and outstab it. So the delay works with milliseconds. So if you want to know half of a second, you type 500, 1 second, 1000, and that's it. Very straightforward. You don't have to make any crazy thing. Just type your stuff and change your window, and there is it. Very simple. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.